Hello, Virtuoso partners. Welcome to Greece. My name is Eva and I look after client relationships and business development for Eclectic Greece, the inbound high-end luxury division of Kybernetes Travel and the leading DMC in our country. It is now July 2020 in the middle of a hot Greek summer, and we're absolutely thrilled to be sharing a bit of Greece with you today. We wish to introduce you very briefly to our company and the benefits you get when booking with us, but mainly to share with you some of the key locations in Greece to get you dreaming about the land of gods until we meet again. First of all, I'd like to take 2 minutes to introduce you to the Eclectic Greece and our value proposition. Being part of the largest travel organization in Greece, yet family-owned, we not only have the capacity to handle individual travelers, but also large incentives, family requests, celebrations, weddings, and parties of all sorts. With a history of 45 years, we're able to negotiate the best terms of our mutual clients and resolve any unforeseen incidents. Our solid relationships, our team of experts with a lot of international exposure, as well as our healthy financial status, sets us apart from the competition. Some of the key benefits by booking with Eclectic Greece is that we immediately get to acknowledge your inquiry. Mind you that we have a 7-hour difference to the East Coast. Second, we provide you with a full proposal within 24 hours once we have the key details and an indication of budget. Our office operates from 8 o'clock in the morning until 10 o'clock at night in the peak season and covers majority of your working day overseas. You can always reach us on the international numbers that we have for the US market and the Australian market as well, free of charge. We do provide you with a full breakdown in order to demonstrate transparency, and you're entitled to 12% commission for all services apart from private charters, which is 8%. Finally, your commission gets paid by our new streamlined process via Onyx a month and a half after the last checkout of your client. The recording of this video coincided with our annual site inspection plan. Therefore, you will see a few of my colleagues, senior managers in Eclectic, presenting to you a few different locations in Greece while they're advancing their product knowledge. This is how we are constantly keep up to date and provide you with the best value.
Hello from the beautiful and sunny city of Athens. My name is Mario Demenagas and I am the product manager of Eclectic Greece by Kybernetes Travel. I am working with Eclectic for the last 2 years and I am the person behind the scenes trying to get the best value for our mutual clients by controlling the quality of our products, expand our hotels and suppliers portfolio, build a strong relationship with all our suppliers, and of course create new and unique experiences. Today, I'm going to give you some tips in order to better understand why you should visit the beautiful city of Athens. Athens has been the capital of Greece since 1834. The city has totally been transformed following the 2004 Olympic Games. Athens is perceived as a stop before guests head to the islands. However, the capital has lots to offer and worth exploring for a minimum of 3 days. The city is full of history. It's got an amazing food scene, which lately is competing well with the fine dining of Mykonos and Santorini. It has numerous shopping districts and it offers marvelous strolls in its unique neighborhoods of Plaka and Monastiraki. Our top suggested hotels in the center of Athens enjoy wonderful views of the Acropolis, and they are located just minutes away from the majority of key attractions. The Athens airport is only 40 minutes away from the city center, and the majority of Greek islands are connected by air within a maximum of 1 hour flight, as well as through the 3 ports of Athens. Our clients will have a variety of private guided activities to choose from that are taking place outdoors, including the Acropolis and Parthenon, the Poseidon Temple in Sunio, and the Magical Oracle of Delphi, which is located 2.5 hours from Athens. We recommend to take these tours early in the morning to avoid the crowds. My favorite private guided activity is the Athens food tour, which is a nod to the Greek cuisine, and we absolutely love recommending it to our clients. You will take 9 different stops where you will taste the best Greek olive oil, the best souvlaki, traditional Philopai delicacies, and a variety of Greek culinary treasures. And all these within 4 hours. Athens is located by the water, and in less than 30 minutes you can reach its most popular beaches. What clients aren't aware of is that you do not have to visit the Greek island to get to enjoy the crystal blue waters and long sandy beaches. Always recommend to your clients to spend at least one night in Athens. It will be a rewarding stopover for visitors to the Greek islands. Athens is one of the very few capitals where ancient monuments stand beside hipster coffee joints and rooftop bars. Look forward to welcoming our Virtuoso clients to Greece soon.
Hello everyone, my name is Nota Damala and I'm the marketing manager for Kybernetes Group of leading travel companies. For the past 2.5 years I have been supporting Eclectic Greece with all the materials, the marketing materials, to help all of you sell Greece like an expert. I am delighted to present you the beautiful region of Peloponnese where I am right now. Peloponnese is a very unspoiled, almost untouched destination which offers a great combination of breathtaking landscapes, olive groves, nature, a remarkable cultural history spanning more than 4,000 years, and it is the birthplace of the Olympic Games. This is what I call authentic Greece. Peloponnese northeast part is an hour's drive from Athens. For the wine lovers, a stop at Nemea will introduce them to Greece's largest wine producers, where they can taste the native red grape variety Georgitiko. There are 3 major wine regions in Greece, Santorini, Naousa, and Nemea really stands out for the great wine quality. The next stop is Argolida, where we definitely recommend the Argolida tour, starting from the ancient theater of Epidavros and then heading to Mykines, where our private guide will take you through the kingdom of mythical Agamemnon and end up in the seaport town of Nafplio, which was the first capital of Greece before Athens. It is a fairly small town built by the water, with the Palamidi fortress to explore right in the town center. Lots of little shops, narrow alleys, and numerous coffee shops and tavernas with a sea view. It is one of my favorite places in the region. In Argolida, the opening of the renewed Amanzoe Hotel 8 years ago elevated the quality of services and encouraged further luxury hotel openings in the area, attracting more international luxury travelers visiting the Peloponnese. It takes 3 hours driving to reach Amanzoe from Athens, but we highly recommend our clients to take a 30 minutes helicopter flight from Athens or from Mykonos and Santorini. Spetses. While staying on the east coast of Peloponnese, your best bet for a day activity will be the cosmopolitan island of Spetses, which can also be reached from Athens within 2 hours on a hydrofoil. Spetses is a favorite destination for celebrities and affluent figures due to its aristocratic and cosmopolitan vibes. The traffic is restricted only to horse-drawn carriages and bicycles, similar to Hydra, which is our next destination. It is also a car-free island. While in Spetses, you need to visit the emblematic Hotel Posidonia, which is a landmark hotel on the island. It takes only 30 minutes to get from Spetses to Hydra, so you could combine these 2 islands in one day in case you have limited time. Hydra is a delightful gem sitting in the Ergosaronic, and while approaching its small port, one can see that it has been built amphitheatrically. It combines high-end dining options and luxury shopping. Hydra is an ideal summer getaway for tourists as well as Greeks and a popular stop-off for yachting enthusiasts. Moving farther south to the east coast of Peloponnese, you get to Monemvasia. In terms of hotel options, our top preferred supplier is a 17th century mansion named Kinsterna, with architectural features from the Byzantine and Venetian periods. Monemvasia's nickname is the Gibraltar of the East. If you are in the area, take a stop at the castle, which was used by the locals to protect themselves from the Arabs' invasions in the 6th century. You need comfortable shoes for this tour, and the little town is pedestrian only, with lots of stylish stops to buy souvenirs, small boutique hotels and villa, and a plethora of gastronomical treasures to dine while you're overlooking the Aegean Sea. Finally, the development of the new Kalamata airport with great connectivity to Europe has given access to the southwest part of Peloponnese, which is called Messenia. The whole region has become an increasingly popular holiday destination for international travelers. The best hotel option in Messenia is Costa Navarino, which is home to 2 5-star hotels, 2 signature golf courses, and a wide range of outdoor and cultural activities in the area. It's a great choice for families and golf enthusiasts. Best time to visit is from May to October.
Hello from Mykonos, the most cosmopolitan destination in Greece and some would argue in the world. It is commonly known as the island of the winds, and the windmills of Mykonos is a defining feature of the Mykonian landscape that became a synonym of Greek summer and Greek hospitality. Tourism in Mykonos started to flourish in the early 60s when it became a favorite shelter for artists and later on for hippies. So Mykonos is one of the most well-known Greek islands thanks to its vibrant nightlife and exceptional dining scene. Global jet setters descend on Mykonos every summer to soak up in its unique vibes. Golden beaches, the cycladic architecture and a mesmerizing landscape make Mykonos the ideal destination for couples, families, as well as party animals. The island is also a firm favorite of the LGBT community internationally. In Eclectic, our hotel and villa offering is quite extensive in Mykonos, located in the most popular parts of the island in Hora, Ornos and Psarou. The gastronomical scene is comparable to any other Greek destination. There is a variety of bars, restaurants and, quite frankly, the world's best beach clubs such as Namos, Skorpios and Alemagou. In Mykonos town you can find a variety of upscale shops with a lot of international brands along with very exclusive local high-end brands. You visit Mykonos for the sun, the beach, the strolls, the activities, the gastronomy and the chilling atmosphere. In addition, some of our favorite activities to recommend would be a day tour in Hora, a jeep safari around the island, and a synonym of Mykonos would be the exclusivity and our top bespoke experience, which is called Bohemian Beach Cooking at a Private Island. This experience is an authentic Bohemian experience, tasting the Greek sea-to-plate menu of innovative dishes on the beautiful island of Rimini.
Hello, I am Maria Petsa. I am Operation Manager together with Antti Papadriadi at Eclectic Greece, and together with Antti, we are trying to make your life easier. A warm welcome from Crete. Crete is the largest and the most hospitable island of Greece, with amazing food from local products and idyllic landscapes that make honeymooners to multi-generation families to fall in love with it. Minoan civilization represents the first advanced civilization in Europe, and it is very well connected with Crete. Left behind massive building complexes, tools, artworks such as frescoes, writing systems, and a massive network of trade. The most notable Minoan palace is that of Knossos, and it is connected with the myth of Labyrinth and Minotaur. It is a must-visit while in Crete that will leave you a memorable experience. Crete is well connected from Athens through Chania and Heraklion airports, but a lot of international flights arrive on the island from various European cities. It is also well connected with Santorini with a 2.5 hours ferry. Ideally, a week is needed in order to visit the highlights of the island. Chania and Rethymnon are both small and picturesque cities. Chania, with the beautiful Venetian port and the breathtaking colors during the sunset, will make you fall in love with the vibes of the city. Get lost among the small alleys and the traditional taverns in Rethymnon, while you will enjoy one of the best meals of your life. Have you ever tried snails? If not, give it a try. You will know why we all love Cretan cuisine. Local beer and wine are amazing, but also keep in mind that Cretan olive oil is among the best in Greece. While in Chania, Samaria Gorge is a miracle of the Mother Earth and the Grand Canyon of Greece. Even though it needs about 6 hours hiking, in the end you will have a feeling of accomplishment. From Rethymnon, there are a lot of places to visit. One of my favorites is the monastery of Arkadi, with a great history behind. Back on the 16th century, it was the center of the science and the art, but during the Cretan resistance of Ottoman rule, about 950 people chose to sacrifice themselves rather than surrender by exploding the gunpowder storage that they had at the monastery. The monastery has a lovely architecture with Roman and Baroque elements. From Chania, Rethymnon is about 1 hour drive, and Heraklion, which is the capital of Crete, is about 2 hours driving from Chania. Another great place to visit, in case you want to relax at a great resort and enjoy the blue coast with the crystal waters protected from the winds, is Elunda. It is only 1.5 hours from Heraklion and offers from big luxury resorts right on the beach to family-friendly and boutique properties for all tastes and preferences. Staying in Alunta, you have also a great combination between relaxation and cultural experiences. Spinalonga, which used to be a leper colony, has an interesting story that will be unveiled while visiting the island with the local traditional boats that we called kaiki. A jeep safari visiting the cave where Zeus was born, combining also rural landscapes and lands at a local traditional restaurant, is an amazing activity that should not be missed.
Hello everyone, here I am today in the beautiful island of Paros. We're recording this video at the swimming pool area of one of our top trusted hotel partners, and would like to thank them for their beautiful hospitality. Paros is one of the jewels of Cyclades, or Kyklades as we call it in Greek. It's a complex of small islands in the middle of the Aegean Sea. Paros landscape is gorgeous. The traveler can come across a lot of private chapels, golden beaches with crystal blue water, and picturesque villages. Paros is the best option for couples, honeymooners, and families with children to enjoy the beach life, the excellent gastronomy, and sleepless nights of Greek party. Paros can be reached within 25 minutes from Athens International Airport, or a couple of hours from Piraeus Port in Athens. One of our top suggestions for a day trip in Paros would be the beautiful picturesque island of Antiparos, which is absolutely popular with celebrities. Actually, Tom Hanks is one of those owning property there, and he's in the island at the moment, and he recently got the Greek citizenship. While in the island, you shouldn't miss the opportunity to try some of the Greek delicacies of Paros, such as the aromatic honey, the salted olives, and tasty kakavia fish soup. There is a variety of 5-star properties and villa products that Eclectic Greece is offering to you that recently elevated the quality of services offered in the island and encouraged further international travelers to choose Paros as their first destination in Greece. Our top suggestions for a day activity would be a full day sailing tour in the small Cyclades, such as Iraklias, Kinoussa, and possibly combine it with Naxos. The people who are more into adventure can try also windsurfing. There is no better place to try than Paros. Alternatively, if you're really into Greek cuisine, our trusted partner in Paros, Mrs. Stella, can take you through a Greek full meal preparation and will help you in the process of mastering the phyllo pastry.
Hello everyone, I am Anthipa Pandreadi and I am the Operations Manager of Eclectic Greece. I have been working with Eclectic for almost 4 years, and together with Maria we're heading up a team of 10 experienced travel designers, and we're here to ensure that you and your clients will receive exceptional service. Today I am very pleased to virtually welcome you all in Santorini. Santorini is characterized as the ultimate destination for couples, with breathtaking landscape featuring one of the most famous sunsets across the world. The season in Santorini is among the longest, as it can be visited from March to November. I am sure that you have all seen photos of the amazing Caldera Cliffs. So these cliffs are a result of a volcanic eruption around the 1500 BC. Formerly the island was known as Strongili, which means round in Greek. The eruption left a large caldera surrounded by volcanic ash deposits hundreds of meters deep. The most elegant part of Santorini is Ia, where the majority of the high-end properties are located. Ia is great for shopping. It has many restaurants, both casual and high-end, but there you can also admire the famous Santorinian sunset. The more quiet part of the island is Imervigli, where we also have some lovely boutique hotel suggestions. The more lively part of Santorini is Fira, which is also the capital of the island, and there is where the port is also located. We have many trusted hotel partners in the island and can suggest options for all price ranges. In terms of activities, the most popular is the catamaran cruise, either in the morning or in the afternoon, where guests can also enjoy the beautiful sunset. Santorini is also very well known for its wine production, so wine tastings are also very popular in the island. For more active travelers, we would suggest a hiking tour from Fira to Ia, or a bike tour, which is really fun. For a more exclusive experience, we can suggest a private sunset picnic overlooking the Caldera Cliffs, which is super romantic. Private dining experiences are also very popular in the island, and it's something that we can arrange either at a hotel or at a special spot in the island. And if your clients not want to fly commercially, do not worry at all, because we can arrange private helicopter or yacht transfers for them. So for all these reasons, visit Greece,
Visit Mykonos.
Visit Peloponnese.
Visit Athens.
visit Santorini,
Visit Crete.
Visit Paros.
and be eclectic.
Booked. See you soon. Thank you.